So I will do now the holder for the belt on the waistband, right? So one each of the holder is 1.5 inch long length. I will put half 1 cm here, 1 cm at the bottom. So 6 pieces of holder that I will do times multiply by 1.5 inches is 9 inches. So the length I will add 1 cm up the top and the bottom for folding, right? So I will just draw so different technique before I do the pin, right? So 9 inches for the six pieces of holder. So I will not waste the fabric. I will just use at the very end, and then 9 inches for the 6 pieces of holder for the pocket. So the length is 1.5 plus 1 centimeter at the top. That and then 1 cm at the bottom for folding, right? Let's make it fast. I'm afraid the video is very long again. Okay, then 1.5 length plus 1 cm at the bottom. I will show you after I draw. Make 1 cm at the top and the bottom for the length of the holder for folding, sewing. I don't have companion to focus the camera. It's okay, I will just show you. So this is for the 6 holder. So the length is 1.5 inches. Yeah. 1.5 inches. This one. 1.5 inches from here to there. This one is allowance for folding, sewing, attachment, right? And 9 inches from here, 9 inches to there is for 6 pieces. Okay, the width, I will divide this 9 inches into 1.5 each holder. I will draw now the 1.5 each. Okay, I will mark for 1 piece of a holder. So I will cut it 6 pieces. Last time I remember I did by pin only. It's the same. I did not draw anymore. Now, if you like to draw, you will do this like this. It's easy method. There, 6 pieces, 1.5, 1.5. So this is over. Always check it. Okay, I double check the size. So they will be uniform, the same size. So only at the, so this is the method that I make. 1/8 is 1.5 inches. So this one is 6 pieces for the belt holder. The width, no more centimeter to add because it is already up enough for 1.5 inches folding it. Only the top at the bottom will have 1 centimeter each allowance. I will cut now for 6 pieces. So this is the one piece. So you see, this is the one piece. Just like that. And then folding like this. There you go. Right? To make sure that the fabric will not be wasted. So I will check it. The length. So, folding its top and bottom. So it's okay. So the belt for this is only 1 inch. The belt that they will use. It's okay. It's okay. Continue. I will continue cutting because it's correct. For those who are just subscribe or watching, just scroll down, scroll up. What topic do you like to learn? Right? It's all there to my 200 plus videos. So many productive videos already with that 202 videos. After you done, you can sell it. Right? You have one product of business. Many people are doing many kind of business. So if the other product is not earning, they have still more business that is earning. That's the trending now. So the next video I will show you how to stitch or sewing it. Thanks for watching.